What I spend in a day as a millennial living in Atlanta. Let's get right into it. So in today's video, y'all, I'm going to be taking you along my day as I spend money, basically. Now, I am a girl on a budget. I tend to live my life on a budget. However, your girl do be going over her budget sometimes. Now, I'm looking for a vacuum cleaner. I need to get some items for the house. Like y'all already know, I keep saying this in every video, but I just moved to this place at the end of August. Well, technically the beginning of September is when I officially moved in. I closed on the house at the end of August, but I still need little knickknacks for around the house. I still haven't gotten my sneaker room to where I actually want it to be, but I'm looking for different items that I can kind of like still make this house a home. So let's get right into what I actually spend in a day as a millennial living in Atlanta. Okay, our first stop is the gas station. I made it to the gas station, y'all. $2.82 for gas. Let's get out, fill up this gas tank, and see exactly how much it costs. $26.04, y'all. So up under my $30 a budget, because I already know that I have to fill up this gas tank 2 times a week, and I budget $60 on Sunday. So I have a little bit over 30 something dollars when it's time to fill up again, hopefully by Wednesday, because I'm off this weekend, so I don't have no intentions on really going anywhere. But let's go in Walmart and see if we can find these containers and some things for the house. So the total spent today was $148.94, you guys. That's probably the most I have ever spent in one store. All of these items came from one store. I'm not going back out. I'm done for the remaining of the day. I may go and get a mocha frappe, but that's gonna be on McDonald's because I use the reward points and I have enough points to get a free one. So this is exactly what I'm gonna be doing. But thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. Make sure you check out my Walmart haul where I show you all of the items that I actually want to get for my house, and I'm gonna actually budget for those items, and I will see you there.